Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ram K English. Friends, if you click this video, it really means you want to improve your communication skill and you also want to be fluent in English. Friends, if you are a beginner, then you can recognize your mistake. If you will make mistake many times in your last few years, then you can now better your English. If you try this method which I want to tell you now this time in this video, then you can very good English speaker. Friends, if you struggle in English speaking while you start English speaking in front of your mobile camera in front of peoples, then you can do everything for your better English improvement, but you get not result. It really means you have not a good decision, you have not a good path which you may guide your better English improvement. But today in this video I want to tell you the best thing which you can apply in your English speaking daily journey. Then you can improve and you can also you will see your improvement in your futures some days. Friends, if you are struggle in English, then you can try to record your video. If you have no any partner, if you have no English environment, if you have no any type of friends, then you can try to make your friends with your phone. If you make your friend your phone, then you can try to make you comfortable in front of mobile camera. It's give you too comfortable. Just like one thing is you have learned how to face camera, and another thing is you never you will never hesitate in your next and other videos. Just like English speaker who is just like जैसे कि English speaker just Virat Kohli and many other things, just like everything which you can now recognize. Friends, in today's video, I want to tell you you can how better your English. Friends, I want to tell you daily usage sentences which you can apply in your daily life, and you can also be grateful for yourself in front of people. So I want to start like a first sentence. मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? आई एम वेरी लकी. नेक्स्ट इज़ मुझे मौका दो, गिव मी अ चांस. एंड अनदर इज़ यह मेरा फैसला है, दिस इज़ माई डिसीजन. एंड अनदर इज़ मुझे खुद पर भरोसा है, आई बिलीव इन माई सेल्फ. व्हेन यू started your journey of English speaking, then you decide to yourself. If you did not decide from yourself, then you can't then you will not understand, and then you will not improve your English. Now this is the very good thing. If you have to believe in yourself, then you can do anything and everything. And another is मुझे पहले जाने दो, let me go first. Another is कौन हंस रहा है, who is laughing. Another is हो गए अब फ्री आप, आर यू फ्री नाउ. अनदर इज सोचने दो मुझे, लेट मी थिंक. आप इसे एक तरफ रख दें, कीप इट असाइड. कोई ध्यान नहीं देगा, नो बडी विल नोटिस. मुझे यह सब मत बताओ, डोंट टेल मी ऑल दिस. नहीं मुझे काम है, नो आई हैव वर्क. मुझे सच बताओ, टेल मी द ट्रथ. जुबान संभाल के. फ्रेंड्स, this is the homework for you. जुबान संभाल के, you have to translate it into the English. If you watching from starting to here, it really means you want to improve your communication skill. Friends, I want to tell you another things. I am not a trainer, I am not a teacher. I am just here practicing in front of my mobile camera for my English improvement. Just because of that I want to travel in all over the India, just because ki everywhere English language is compulsory. Just you, if you go everywhere, then English language is very compulsory and very easy to understand, because English is speaking like many other countries, many other states. So you can easily speak English and you can exchange your emotions, feeling, and what you want to say in English. It's really means you can better. Friends, if you think you are beginner, then you can apply all these sentences and in your daily life, and you can get improvement in your life. फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू फर्स्ट टाइम व्यूअर देन लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद। प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स यू परफेक्ट।